It's a beautiful late morning, early spring, and we're having cold weather here, cold and wet, as you can see out there, all the water on the field. The birds are happy. And I've made a little arrangement here. My husband helped me, and we have two roosters now because the little baby, he's big now. So we've set up the little house here, and they're getting used to it. We gave him 8 chickens, I think. Or is it 9? 8 or 9? Yeah. So beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. So I've got them in this fence here just for a few days till they get used to it. There he is. Yeah. Ah, it's so good to see that. Just feel the sun. It's been so wet. So I'm just doing a little job fixing up some fence. So I'll just take you with me. Older apples for the blackbirds. It's been there. Having a little meal. Open up the greenhouse so it doesn't get too hot in there. So the lemons are ripening beautifully here, looking really nice. And let's just have a look at the temperature. It's 14 degrees out here. So it feels really warm. Feels really warm. So I was just getting this little message as I'm here alone today and just really enjoying being me in this moment. I'm just sensing how I was just being told that every moment is full of messages and healing, new insights, and just reminding myself that I am exactly where I need to be. Life is unfolding exactly as I need it, as it is the very, very best for me. There is no better way life can unfold itself for me to learn, to grow, and really to thrive. So we humans are so, I know from myself, our ego consciousness is always looking for something wrong, and our spirit is always telling us how right it all is, how perfect it all is. See, the ego can say, now, where's all the grass going to come from? When it's just wet and cold, how are we going to feed all these animals? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. You're beautiful. Yeah. 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 Okay, you're not scared. Don't touch the fence. Yeah. And the heart is always saying all is well, and all has always been well, and there's nothing to fear. everything I need is coming to me in perfect divine order. So this is so wonderful, how we can go from despair to complete joy and contentment in a matter of minutes. A little drink there. Beautiful. They're so beautiful. They get so dirty from the molasses, but don't touch the fence. But it just gives them extra nutrients. Yeah, having a little drink there in the morning sunlight. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. And these little lambs are 3 weeks old now. That's so cute. And so I was just trying to separate them from their mum so I could milk her. Oh. They're a little bit tense now because it's the first time I tried that. And one of them jumped out. And the ram has got an apron on because, see, the lambs I had last October, that was the one drinking there, Ivy, and they're big now. They're really big, so they're actually what do you call it? Sexually mature already, so he can actually, and see the ram. This is the male lamb. See how big he is, and he can actually mate with his sisters. So they're 5 months old now. Yeah, they're 5 months old. So and she's, look at her, Felicia. She's going to have her baby soon. So we cut down a big tree there, and they've more or less eaten all the top of it. They're just scraping the bark away. Yeah. And that's the rest of the chickens. And I'd love to put them on grass, but they're going to have to wait a little while. Don't you just love the treetops? And they've actually got flowers on them. This is poplars. They've got spring flowers on them. This is a larch. Nothing's really happened there yet. It's too early. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, good girl. Yeah. Mm-hmm.